In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Beyond Bank mobile app, giving you a simple step-by-step guide to get started effortlessly. Whether you're an Android enthusiast or an iPhone devotee, this walkthrough has got you covered. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, the first thing we need to do is head over to the App Store that corresponds to your device's operating system. If you're on an Android device, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. iPhone users, you'll be heading into the App Store. Once you're there, it's time to look for the app we want. In the search bar, type in Beyond Bank Australia. As you sift through the results, keep an eye out for the official app. It features a distinct purple logo and should be published by Beyond Bank Australia. This step is crucial to ensure you're downloading the legitimate application, safeguarding your personal banking information. Once you've found the right app, the next step is to download it. If you're using an Android device, tap on Install. iPhone users, you'll need to tap Get. Download times can vary depending on your internet connection speed, but rest assured it should only take a few moments. Let it finish downloading and automatically installing onto your device. With the app now installed, go ahead and tap Open. Upon opening it, you'll be greeted by the Beyond Bank welcome screen. This is where the journey into personalized banking begins. From here, you can either log in if you're an existing user or opt to register if you're new to Beyond Bank. Now, if you're already part of the Beyond Bank community, tap on Login. Here, you'll need to key in your member number and password. If you're just starting, not to worry. Tap on Register, and the app will provide you with easy-to-follow instructions to set up your Beyond Bank profile. For enhanced security, the app might prompt you to enable additional settings. These options can include setting up Face ID, fingerprint login, or perhaps a 4-digit PIN. It's entirely up to you to choose the method that you're most comfortable with. Just follow the prompts to confirm your selection. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Beyond Bank mobile app on your smartphone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thank you for tuning in, and happy banking!